Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Temperatures in the lower 40s. Going to see temperatures today in the upper 40s. That's about 5 degrees above average for this time of year. We're going to see our highs really start to increase and move into Wednesday and Thursday with temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees above normal. So much above average for the middle and latter portion of the work week. We'll see some chances of rain showers come in late Thursday with better chances of rain once we move into Friday and then possibly the weekend. But right now looks like good weather from now through at least Thursday morning. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level was at the surface. Our winds are light in the low levels, around 9 knots out of the north-northeast, and becoming more northwesterly and moving up in the calm. We see our wind gradually increasing up to 57 knots at 25,000 feet. Current surface analysis, we have high pressure building in from the west. Additional cold fronts going to move through tomorrow morning. That's not going to really give us much change in our weather, just some more cloud coverage across the region and very slight chance of a sprinkle. Overall, this cold front really just going to allow us to see more downsloping winds off the Appalachian Mountains and giving us some nice conditions tomorrow with warmer temperatures. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see lots of high-level cloud coverage across the region. That's going to be the case for today, and that should thicken throughout the afternoon hours with a good amount of filtered sunshine for today. And taking a look at the European model for today and the next few days, we're going to have that weak cold front move through for tomorrow morning. Very slight chance of a sprinkle, about a 10% chance, so most likely won't happen. And we move into our Wednesday, going to see high pressure once again build over the region and slide off the coast. That's going to allow us to see those mild temperatures for Wednesday. Very nice day in store. Like temperatures in the 60s with a good amount of sunshine. So a very nice day for early February. And move into our Thursday. Going to see a warm front move through during the morning hours. Not going to see much in the way of our weather pattern change with that warm front, other than just seeing our wind direction, the surface change out of the southeast. A very slight chance, once again, of a sprinkle Thursday morning, but most likely won't see that. And then we'll see a slightly better chance of some rain showers once we move into late Thursday afternoon and evening hours. Only going to cap those chances right now at 20%, as most models show that precipitation drying up as it moves towards the region. Once we move into Friday into Saturday, we're going to see more unsettled conditions across the region. Right now, Friday morning doesn't look too bad in the way of our weather across the area. We'll have a cold front kind of sitting across the region, a slight chance of some rain showers Friday morning. But once we move into Friday afternoon, going to see conditions deteriorate across the region, and that's going to give us some rainfall across the area. And then we'll see additional upper level disturbance moving through the region for our Saturday, and that should give us some more rainfall across the region, especially Saturday morning. Models still very much uncertain of how this trough develops and how strong it does allow for a surface area low pressure to develop. So we'll continue to monitor that for Saturday into Sunday. Right now it could be a fairly unsettled weekend across the region, but as of the European model here, looks like things should improve on Sunday, but can't rule out some poor conditions lingering into the second portion or half of the weekend. Moving into Monday, should see conditions improve across the area with high pressure moving off the coast, another up-level trough digging in the Great Lakes. That should give us a warmer day on Monday with temperatures once again rebounding above normal. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a green chart across the board, high around 48 degrees today, low tonight during the evening of 41. The temperatures rising slightly overnight into the lower to mid 40s with more of a southwesterly component to our winds. Our winds today will be variable and light this morning, then becoming more southerly and increasing around 7 to 12 knots, gusting up to 16 knots this afternoon. And we'll see a peak wind during the late evening into the early overnight hours, southwest 8 to 13, possibly gusting as high as 19 to 20 knots. And then seeing our winds calm down tomorrow morning around 5 to 10 knots out of the west. 24-hour terminal forecast, VFR conditions the next 24 hours expected with just a bit more cloudiness around 6 and 10,000 feet by tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking at Wednesday and the Thursday, Wednesday mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly sunny, partly cloudy by afternoon, and unseasonably mild, high at 61 degrees, so green chart across the board on Wednesday. Wednesday night, partly cloudy and mostly cloudy, with a very slight chance of sprinkle toward dawn. We'll see a low of 40, green chart once again for Wednesday night. And for Thursday, mostly cloudy, overcast, slight chance of shower by evening. We'll see a slightly breezy winds and mild temperatures Once again, for Thursday, high around 59 degrees. A slight chance we see that rain shower, especially in the late afternoon and evening hours on Thursday, as well as our winds possibly gusting as high as 22 to 23 knots. So highlighting a slight chance of a wind advisory for our Thursday. And moving the next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures about 5 degrees above average today across the peninsula. Move into our Wednesday and Thursday and into Friday, much above average. Seeing temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s from Wednesday through Friday. Looks like inland locations could see mid-60s on Wednesday and on Friday, and possibly on Thursday as well. So a little bit cooler here along the coast, but inland locations seeing well above normal for this time of year. Best chance of rainfall looks like it will be Friday afternoon to Friday evening, possibly extending into Saturday. And as I mentioned, uncertainty continues into Sunday, whether we see that rainfall lingering across the region. But it does look like it will be cooler on Saturday afternoon into Sunday, and before temperatures rebound back above normal, around 55 degrees for the beginning of next work week on Monday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.